Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I am Mr. Atisham Beg, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss very important topic, and that name of this topic is upcoming banking examination. So you can prepare or you can strategize your movement, alright, because it will be very important for you. Now I'm an engineering graduate and I have relevant years of experience teaching in this sector. Alright, let's come to the point and let's see what are the upcoming banking examinations. I have written 3 banking examinations in the first lot. Look at this: SBI Clerk 2020, RBI Assistant 2020 and IBPS RRB PO 2020. Why? Because as you all are aware that SBI Clerk 2020 notification has been released on January 3, 2020. Alright, but its prelims examination has also been conducted in the month of Feb and March 2020. The mains date was about to come, but the pandemic situation happened and it didn't come. Same thing happened with what RBI assistant exams. Its notification was released on 2019-23 December. Alright, remember that. And its prelims examination was conducted in the month of February 2020, and that date was 14 and 15. The cutoff was very high and the mains examination date was about to come, but again, as I've told you, that the pandemic situation has created difficulty for these examinations. Alright, now whenever the situation settles down, these 2 examinations will conduct first. So remember that SBI Clerk mains and RBI assistant mains has to come first. Alright, now why I have put IBPS RRB 2020 PO exams? Because its notification has been released on June 30 and its prelims examinations will conduct on the month of September and October, while its mains exams will be tentative to October and November. So these are the tentative dates and it can change depending on the situation of the country. Alright, remember that, because this pandemic situation can get worse and the examination can get postponed. But as we have seen that if IBPSPO has been released its notification, that means the examination will conduct. But how they are going to conduct this examination, that would be interesting to see. But you need to be prepared. So these are the 3 exams which will come first. Alright, so I put it in the first list. Next list, as you know that the next examination will be conducted is IBPSPO, because its notification is released now. Alright, and its date has been given as in the month of October 3, October 10, October 11, while the mains date has also been given and it is 28th of November. So remember that. But what is the most prestigious notification you were waiting? The most prestigious notification, banking exam, which is SBI PO 2020, which all the students were waiting for that. Now it is yet to announce. Alright, and it was tentative to conduct its prelims examination in June, July. As you all know that SBI PO released its notification in the month of April and May, or you can say between April and May, but it hasn't come out, or you can say it was just about to come, but the pandemic situation happened and the examination has been postponed. So these examinations has been postponed and I believe they will definitely or soon announce its notification. So you have to wait and prepare for this. Keep preparing for this examination because it is a prestigious exam. As you know, the pay slip, all the things will be different. Now IBPS Clerk 2020, as you know that its notification yet to be released. But the good news is that if IBPSPO has been released, now IBPS Clerk follows IBPSPO. Alright, that means anywhere in the month or a couple of months, you will see the notification for sure. All right, and its tentative date is also given in December, or you can say prelims tentative date is given in December, while mains tentative date is given in January. So remember that these are the important examinations which will come, definitely come. Why I can say confidently, because IBPSPO has been released. All right, IBPSPO notification has been released, and it is a good news for the banking aspirants. Remember that, because I believe it will follow as BIPO and IBPS Clerk 2020 both. All right, and these are the examinations. IBPS Specialist Officer, definitely IBPSSO will be followed by IBPS Clerk as well. So its tentative date has been given in December and January for prelims and mains respectively. It is yet to announce, so it will come out. All right. RBI grade B, you can't be sure about that, but it was scheduled in this year. As you know that in every year it has been released. Now I believe it will postpone a bit. You can say a month or 2 months. SBI Specialist Officer will definitely. It was tentative to 8 March, but it hasn't. All right, and you can say that some of the notification has been released. You can go over there and check it. All right, now as you know that these are the lineups of the banking examination, upcoming banking examination for the 2020. All right, so remember, you have lots of openings coming up. Just be prepared for the banking examination and go over there at our Entri app. You will get all the courses available for the banking examination. All right, so one more thing which is very important, you can attempt daily rank booster quiz. All right, daily at what time? 10 a.m. attempt free, and it is completely free. Remember that, for RRB examination. All right, daily you will get 15 questions and 15 minutes, and the link of this examination will be given in the video of this description. All right, given in the description. All right, now you can subscribe this YouTube channel, Banking 2.0, and you can download our Entri app from the Play Store. Remember that. All right, now if you like this session, please like, comment and share as well. So that's it from my side. Thank you. When we meet in the next video, we will discuss some more issues. Till then, thank you.